Previous video, went ahead and shaved my head with these right here. If y'all missed it, go ahead and click the card that pops up. These are the wall magic clips. I still might use these in today's video to go ahead and fade it in, or I might use my detailers, my trimmers to go ahead and get that done. So even though my head looks bald, which I mean it is, it's just not very smooth bald the way that I would like it. Now, what we're really putting to the test today is this exfoliating bar. Now let me tell you why. First of all, this razor costs a lot of money, right? I already have another razor that costs a fraction of the price, and I know it works great. I love it. This is the latest and greatest though, so you know, we always try to stay up to date to give you guys options, you feel me? Y'all rock it with my channel so I can test out as many things as I possibly can that come across my way, to let you guys know which one I think is nice, and then y'all could choose from there. But anyways, this exfoliating bar, the reason why we actually need this is because with that procedure that we was doing on our head, we had to put glue and stuff on our head. Now, I don't think it's showing up too well on camera because it looks like my head is fine. But just a moment ago, up close, it looks like I have some dry skin all like in the area where I had that glue and stuff at. Now, I've been wiped the glue out from where I put it, but now that I actually shaved off the rest of my hair, and knowing that I had that in my scalp for like 2 weeks, I'm guessing during the times that I was in the shower or outside or at the gym sweating, even though the glue or the hair, nothing like that was dripping down my head, it probably did drip down into the side of my hair. And you know, even though I shampooed and conditioned my whole head, I guess we still got some dry skin going on up there that I didn't fully remove. Again, it's gonna be hard to see because I can't really see it on camera, but hopefully you guys can see a little bit of dry skin action going on right there. So let's go ahead and open this, probably with a little twisty twist to make it pop up. How we open it? Or do we gotta squeeze it? Let me try to get it down here real quick. Or do we just twist it? Okay. Alright, so the way that we open it actually has a thing right on top. It ain't like a bottle of lotion where you have to keep turning it until it pops out. That's what I thought I was doing there. But yeah, so we just slide it to one side, open it, and let's see how much comes out in one squeeze. Hopefully not too much, because we don't need a lot. That wasn't even a whole squeeze, but that's how much I'm letting go into my hand right there. Y'all can see it. Now, we got the shaving oil. I'm gonna throw a little water on top of my head. Does this thing say that I can do that? I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah, it says directions, apply to wet or dry skin, and then go ahead and shave. So again, I like to add a little bit of water. It suds up actually. So, am I gonna like this? Okay, it doesn't sud up, okay. It smells very nice. I was gonna be disappointed if it started sudding up because I seen shaving foam and shaving gel and stuff that I could have gotten as well. And I don't prefer to use shaving gels or stuff that foams up because then I can't really see what I'm doing. So the fact that this stays clear, and I did go ahead and put a little extra squeeze because I didn't fully squeeze it the first time. The fact that it stays clear though is something that I think I'm going to like. On top of that, it smells really good. It says this is coconut and lime. Nice smell. Let me add a little bit more water. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hands are definitely a little bit oily. Y'all see it sudding up like a tiny bit. Not too much though. And I'm hoping that it gives me just a perfect amount of slickness. Because you know, some stuff be too slick to where you slide the razor, it just goes swoop, and then you end up with a big old gash or something on your scalp. So again, as of now, I can feel all the hairs still on my head, even though y'all can't see them. Let's get it super smooth. All right, so something that I noticed on this razor, that this does not appear to have a way where you can lock it into place. So it looks like it's just gonna be moving all around. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Let me scroll low real quick so y'all can see. And let's see. Oh, dang. It's definitely close. Yeah, y'all can see that. So as bald as it already looked, one swipe, it caught all the extra hair right there, just like that. Alright, so we're doing some small strokes because I did have a little cut right here. Didn't want to gash that open. Alright. Alright, let me see is it comfortable to hold the razor? Definitely is. I'm just a little nervous because of those cuts. Let's see if y'all can tell if I just do half the head. Can't tell too much on the top because that's where the hair is missing, right? But y'all seen it on the other side. I'm not sure if y'all can hear it as well. So it does look like it is clogging just a tiny bit. Or I won't say clogging, but it's catching the hairs. So let's see how easy it rinses underwater. Alright, all the hairs just popped right out. So a bunch of hairs just went in the sink. There is still a little bit more in there though. So let me do it again. Alright, and just like that, in real time, y'all see it. Everything is clear. Y'all can probably see right through the gaps again. So that's all good. So now, a little bit more water on this side, and let's hit it. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a great feeling, y'all. Again, I haven't shaved my head completely bald since last year. I think it was really like on the 1st, December 31st or January 1st. That's the last time I shaved my head. And then from there, I just let all the hair grow. And we here now, adding a little bit more water to the back of our head. Let's throw the necklace out the way real quick. Make sure we get in frame. All right, is there a spot for me to put my hand comfortably without it sliding? Yep. Again, I'm just going slow right now because I'm a little nervous. If y'all seen when I was using those trimmers, it kind of caught a few spots, a few snags. Again, that's why I prefer to use an actual razor to shave my head instead of clippers or trimmers, because those don't always do the best, but can't really go wrong with the razor. I mean, you definitely can actually, but for the most part, for me, it usually goes well when I use a razor. Alright, so first pass complete. Cleared everything out once again. I'm not even going to add any more oil. I'm just going to add a little bit more water, and I definitely feel the slickness, and that oil is surely still applied to my head. I could feel it just by the way that, you know, the water is interacting with my scalp, and man, wow. Y'all, I'm confident with my bald head, man. That's all I got to say. Again, if y'all didn't catch it in the last one, when I put that fake hairline on my head, even though the rest of it was real, I didn't even like show anybody. I walked around with a do-rag everywhere, had a hat on everywhere. Even when I was at the house, I just had like the do-rag sitting on top of my head, and I was just like showing certain people, and I was showing y'all for the video. And I think I may have taken a picture or two on Instagram, but that's about it. But yeah, and it's starting to get smoking hot too, so I ain't got time to be having my head covered up, man. I ain't got time for it, my brother. If y'all ain't got time for it either, let me know something. Drop a comment below. Let me know y'all rocking with me, man. That definitely motivates me, keeps me motivated to make these videos for y'all, to make these purchases. Because again, some of y'all be thinking everything gets sent to me for free. Now, a couple of Gillette, their representatives did reach out to me, but I don't think it was to send me this specific razor. They wanted me to review something else, and I just really ain't been doing promotion, like direct promotion with people lately. But again, if y'all want to talk about money, talk business, you know, directly, let me know. And to be honest, y'all, it's probably my fault, because again, they did reach out to me multiple times, and I kind of just ignored them. So yeah, I think it's just more fun for me to do stuff myself, you know. Definitely don't want to turn down no money. Love the money, love being able to work with companies, upcoming companies or big companies and stuff like that. But usually they, you know, I don't like doing the negotiating, bro. Just tell me the price that I want to hear, like in the first email when y'all talk to me, and then we could talk about something, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to have to do a bunch of video chats, a bunch of emails, and, you know, a lot of these people be trying to, I'm not specifically saying Gillette, but you know, it is multiple people. They be trying to direct you on what to say in your video, and, you know, we don't want you to do this or do this. Like, they be trying to direct the video, and I feel, hey, if you want me to review a product, if you think, you know, I'm gonna get your product to where it needs to be and show people, just believe in what I'm doing. Send me the product, pay your boy, and let me do my thing, you feel me? If you want me to say a certain thing and have a script and all that type of stuff, you fly to me. You bring your big camera to me, and you could do the whole production, and you could edit the video and everything, and I'll say whatever you want to say. You feel me? Straight like that. Alright, now I know some other people, by the way, y'all would probably like to go against the grain on your second pass, or who knows, even your first pass. Me, I don't really see the point in doing that. Yes, it's going to give you a closer shave, but then you're going to give yourself the chance of having a higher chance at that of having razor bumps. And if your hair grows like mine, it doesn't matter if you shave with or against the grain, the hair is going to grow back real quick anyway, so there's no point. You shave against the grain, you get to enjoy it for what, 2 hours before it starts sprouting back. I'm just not with that. But yeah, we're definitely gonna have to fade this in, because the way it looks right there going to that's unacceptable. And maybe I'll use my we know we could do it with the trimmers. Maybe I'll do it with the clippers today and show y'all how I was fading the beard, or fading that section there with the magic clips. I think we're good with our normal 2 passes. The handling of the razor, it worked. There has been some other type of razors that I've used to where when I'm doing it on the front and the sides, I hold it like this, right? So I can just go, that's very easy. When I go to the back though, I have to hold it like this. So I need a spot to put my hand that has some grip so I can do this. So the fact that there's not an eject button right there is very nice. But speaking of an eject button, let's figure that out as well. If I was ready to change the blade, how would we change the blade? We'll figure this out live together. So I do see there's a little arrow right here. If I were to press into this and lift up, it looks like that's the way to do it. Oh, okay, that is it. So just in case y'all need to know, when you're ready to pop the blade off, just slide this up and it hits the bottom of it and knocks it out. So now let me zoom back out and figure out how to put it back on there. So we know the exfoliating bar goes at the bottom here. Is it gonna snap in? There it is. It snapped into place. So you kind of got to just hold it and kind of just force it in there. This is it. I still feel, if you guys can see like the white spots, it's not just water. There's still plenty of oil on my head if I wanted to do like another pass. So look at it, still forming. Y'all see the white drops? It's dripping, dripping. So yeah, plenty of oil. I only did maybe 1 whole squeeze, or yeah, 2 half squeezes y'all seen me do right there. All right, y'all, so I was in the middle of talking, the camera just shut off, so I don't know at which point it stopped. So hopefully y'all been seeing majority of this video. But this has been my review on the Gillette Labs with the exfoliating bar and the Tree Hut Bear Coconut Lime Moisturizing Shave Gel. Screenshot time.